Hey guys, and welcome to another awesome giveaway. Right here we have our latest winner. Now no matter what this winner chooses from the item shop, you guys can go on and sign up for whatever you would like, which does include the latest battle pass. Anyways, let's just get started with the gifting. Oh yeah, and make sure to watch the 3 steps coming up to be able to sign up. Go right into the item shop, and what he wants is this awesome bundle. So we're gonna go on, view offer, gift, look at our party, there he is. We're going to send out that gift, and he has to get it right away. So if he doesn't get it right away, he just change his banner. That's going to refresh Fortnite. We can go into a game, get out of the game. That's going to refresh it as well. But anyways, there's one way that I can check that he got it. It's by going over his name again. It says that he owns this. So that's how you know that he got it. And now we can all know that he got it by going back to lobbying. We can see him wearing that awesome skin. Or any of those awesome skins. There's a bunch of them. And there we go. There's your awesome skin. Congrats for winning. Now, no matter what you guys want to sign up for, go ahead and do it as long as it's giftable. And just follow these 3 simple steps. Step number 1, go right into item shop right here on Fortnite. On the bottom right hand side, you're going to see support a creator. So you're just going to go right into there and type in tech and design. Now keep in mind, it can be all caps or it can be just like you see it right now. Click on done, accept. Step number 2, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Tech and Design. So just hit subscribe. Step number 3, below in the comments area of this video, you're gonna type in, I want to win a free skin battle pass emote back bling. It depends what you guys want to win, just type that in. So in this case, if you're signing up for a free skin, type in what skin you guys want. You guys want the battle pass? If you're signing up for that, then it's the battle pass. So be specific what you guys want, and in the end, just type in your epic username. And that's because I have to match up your epic username with whatever name you guys are using right here on YouTube. Anyways, that would be it. All you guys have to do is follow those 3 very simple steps and you're all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.